Hallo, it's Anna, German language expert from Busuu. Welcome back to the channel. Let's be real, the truly useful things that we remember forever are not really the things that we learn in the classroom. So forget Guten Tag and Auf Wiedersehen. In this video, I'll show you how we actually say hi and bye in day-to-day German. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Busuu's YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're always up to date with our latest educational content. Alright, los geht's! Let's get started with the popular ones, hallo and hi. If you're after a greeting that's short and easy to remember, just go with a simple hallo. It works in any context and at any time in the day. If you want to go a bit more cash, hi works just as well. But careful! Not all German-speaking countries use the greeting in the same way. For example, while you're fine to say hallo to your boss in Germany, this greeting is exclusively reserved for friends and family in Switzerland. On to number 2, the one that's the perfect all-rounder. Na? This one is perfect if you want to show off to your peers by sounding like a true native speaker. Very untypically for German, na doesn't actually mean anything. It's sort of a filler that we use similarly to the English well. To use it as a greeting, you just have to nail your pronunciation. You can say it's super short, like this, na. To be a bit friendlier, you can also add a question, like, na, wie geht's? Hello, how are you? Your friend's been on a date and you want to know how it went? Stretch the ah sound out a bit, add a cheeky smile and wiggle your eyebrows, and you might get some quality gossip. Na? When you use na as a greeting, don't expect to get a lengthy response. Since this isn't an actual word, people might just greet you back. Number 3, the chilled one. Alles klar? If you're up for a casual chat, this one can be the perfect opener. Alles klar literally translates to everything clear, but it means something along the lines of you alright? How's it going? Number 4, the lively one. Hoo-hoo! To get the intonation right, just picture the following scenario. You're on your way home after a long day of work, and you're just about to walk into the door when your annoying neighbor spots you from across the street, yelling hoo-hoo to get your attention. Just imagine that and go in for the high pitch. That's this greeting in a nutshell. But don't worry, it isn't always used in a context that makes you want to hide behind your door. It's also a really nice way of greeting a group of friends that you're happy to see. Number 5, the one for the cool kids. Was geht ab? If you're lucky enough to end up hanging with the cool kids, you'll definitely hear was geht ab, or short, was geht. These greetings basically just mean what's up and come with a more or less complicated crew handshake. Fair warning, starting a conversation with was geht ab might look as if you're trying too hard. So don't go to town on this one, especially when you're speaking to young people you don't know. Number 6, the ones they use up north. TACHCHEN and MOIN. Although these greetings are most popular in the north and originate there as well, you'll hear them in other parts of Germany too. Tag and TACHCHEN are based on the word Tag, which means day, and are a friendly, perky and colloquial way to say hi throughout the day. Moin, Moinsen or Moin Moin are variations of another cheerful greeting used particularly in and around Hamburg and Bremen. Although it sounds like Moin could derive from the word Morgen, which means morning, it actually comes from an ancient word meaning nice or good, a fact that you'll definitely be able to show off with, even to native speakers. Moin is slowly making its way down south, and because it reminds of the word Morgen, morning, it's especially popular as a morning greeting amongst young people all over Germany. Number 7, the ones representing the South. Servus and Grüß Gott. Servus and Grüß Gott are the most common greetings in southern Germany and in Austria. If you're after that extra bit of attention, you should definitely try using them in other parts of Germany too. Grüß Gott literally means greet God or greetings to God. So to avoid a religious undertone, people often also say grüß dich to friends and grüß Sie or grüezi as a polite form. All of these greetings simply mean I greet you. On to the goodbyes. Number 1, the one that's an oldie but a goodie. Tschüss. Forget the stiff, long and formal Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, and replace it with a short and sweet tschüss. It's much more common, and you can use it at any time of the day and in any context. You might also hear different variations of tschüss, like tschüssi, tschüsschen, or tschüssikowski. How cute, right? Add these to your vocab and you'll feel like a local in no time. Number 2, the one with a Mediterranean twist. As if Germans didn't already have enough words, this one's borrowed from Italian. Ciao, in its 2 different spellings, with many variations like CIAO and ciao ciao, is a casual and joyful way to say goodbye. Number 3, the one you used to say later skater. Bis dann, bis denne, bis DENNCHEN. Bis dann means see you later, and its variations are especially popular with German kids today. Bis denne or bis DENNCHEN are the slangy, cool versions you can fall back on in a casual conversations with friends, even when you're not a teen. Number 4, the one that keeps it cool. Hau rein, HAUSTE. Hau rein, or short, HAUSTE, literally translates to hit into it. It's a weird one for saying goodbye, isn't it? But what can you do? The younger crowds just like to keep things fresh. Maybe avoid saying hau rein to your boss though. In fact, maybe don't say it to anyone at all, or you might end up looking like you're desperately trying to sound cool, and we all know that never works. So as long as you understand that nobody is actually asking you to hit anything when they tell you to hau rein, we're good. Saying the first words and having your first chat in a new language can be very scary. Having the tools to start a conversation is the first step to getting over it and to show your interest in the German language. So say just to your awkward handshakes and TACHCHEN to local lingo. You now know everything you need to get a conversation flowing in German. If you've got more German, Austrian or Swiss German greetings you want to share, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up to date with more German language videos. Tschüssi! Grüß Gott literally translates to Greet Gott. Oh, sorry, this is very German. Oh my god. Greet Gott. Oh, this should be great. Keep this in.